This session is on profit and loss. It is a part 3. Please look at part 1 for better understanding. We have different types of problems and profit and loss. Now in this session we will look at few problems such that if a man brings a good from company and he sells for others, okay, for other price. If it is a loss or profit or so on. Such type of problems will be solving. Please like, share and subscribe this particular channel. Let us start now. Come to the first type of question. Okay, they're saying that Samant brought in a microwave oven and paid 10% less the original price. He sold it within a 30% profit price he had paid. What percentage of profit did Samant earn on the original price? Okay, first to understand the question, they're saying that Samant brought in a microwave oven and paid 10% less than the original price. Okay, if you consider a straight line here, okay, and there is a company here, and they will be providing an original price. Say it is a market price. Okay, which is equal to x. It is 100 percentage. Okay, and this one is in a same month, right? And he would be paying 10% less. So his cost price becomes nothing but equal to 10 minus 100. It becomes 90 percentage of x amount he would be paying. Right? Again, he said he sold it within a 30% profit price he paid. So they are given that the profit is equal to 30 percentage, and he sold it, right? Again, they are saying what percentage of profit did someone earn on the original price. Instead of the cost price is 90% of x, instead he paid x. Okay, he paid x, then what would be the profit? We have to find it out, right? In terms of percentage, we know the formula. The profit percentage is equal to nothing but p by cost price. It's nothing but x into 100, right? The profit is equal to nothing but selling price minus x, right? So first we're defining the selling price here, right? Now the selling price is equal to nothing but here they are getting 30% the profit, because the cost price is 100% here. Okay, 90% of x is 100%. Then it becomes selling price is equal to 100 plus 30 percentage of cost price, right? Which is equal to nothing but it becomes 130 by 100 into cost price. What is the cost price? It's nothing but 90 percentage of x. So it becomes 90 by 100 into x. So it becomes 130 by 100 into 90 by 100 x, right? All the zeros will get cancelled. 9 to 13 comes 117 by 100 x. It is nothing but a selling price, right? What is the profit percentage? Just we have to find the profit percentage, right? So it becomes profit percentage is equal to, we know that selling price minus x, so it becomes 117 by 100 x minus x whole divided by x into 100, right? If taken x common, all the x will be getting cancelled. Take LCM and subtract it, it becomes 17 by 100 into 100, which is equal to nothing but 17 percentage, right? So the percentage profit did you get is nothing but option A. Come next question. A man buys an article for 10% less than its value and sell it for 10% more than its value. His gain or loss percentages. Okay. It is also a similar type of question. They're saying that a man buys an article for 10% less than its value, right? We consider a straight line here. Okay. There is a company here who sells it. Okay. There will be some mark price of it. If it is X, which is nothing but 100 percentage. Okay. And this particular man would be buying it with 10% less. Then his cost price is equal to nothing but 10 minus 100. It becomes 90% of X. Right. Now they are saying you sell it for 10% more than its value. Right. Then selling price is given as nothing but 10% more the value. Value is nothing but 100%, which is X. 10% more means it becomes 110. percentage of X, right? Now they're saying his gain or loss. Okay, you have to find if it is a loss and a gain. First we're defining the profit, which is equal to nothing but selling price minus cost price. If it is negative, it becomes loss, right? Selling price, which is equal to nothing but 110 of X means it becomes 11 by 10X, right? 90 percentage of X means it becomes 9 by 10X. So just subtract it, we get 11 by 10X minus 9 by 10X, which is equal to not negative, so it is in a profit. So we get as 2 by 10X, which is equal to X by 5, which is in a profit. We have to find in terms of percentage. Then profit percentage is equal to nothing but P by cost price into 100, right? Your profit is given as nothing but X by 5. By cost price is nothing but 9 by 10X. 9 by 10X into 100, right? X cancel. One side goes by 2, so which is equal to nothing but 200 by 9, which is equal to 22.2 percentage. So see the options. It's saying less than 20% or more than 20%. No profit or 20 percentage, right? It is more than 20 percentage. So answer the option D. Come to the next question. Rahul purchased a scooter at 13/15 of the selling price. Sold it to 12% more than the selling price. His gain is, okay, first understand the question. They're saying that Rahul purchased a scooter at 13/15 of the selling price. So Rahul is taking a scooter from some company, say, okay? If you consider a straight line here, okay? Here there's some company, okay? He is selling in a scooter, okay? Then the selling price, if you consider as an X. Now Rahul is taking in a scooter as in a cost price. He is getting from a company. So Rahul price is nothing but he will be getting at 13 by 15 of the selling price, which is nothing but X, right? Again they are saying sold it to 12% more than the selling price. Then Rahul will be selling it to someone else within some selling price of Rahul is equal to nothing but 12% more than selling price. It's nothing but X, right? Now they're asking find the gain in terms of a percentage, right? So it is nothing but profit percentage, which is equal to nothing but P by cost price into 100, right? Now profit is equal to nothing but selling price minus cost price, right? So we have to find selling price and cost price. First, if we consider the cost price, which is equal to nothing but 13 by 15x, right? We can write this one as nothing but cost price by x is equal to 13 by 15, right? If you consider the cost price is equal to 13, then x is equal to nothing but 15, right? Again, we find in the selling price. Selling price is given as nothing but 12% more than the x, which is equal to nothing but 112 by 100 into x, right? Which is equal to nothing but 112 by 100 into x we consider as a 15, right? So just multiply these two, 112 with 15, it becomes 10, 6 and 5, right? Again multiply it, it becomes 2, 1, 1, which is equal to 0, 8, 6, 1, which is equal to nothing but by 100 also, right? So it becomes 16.80, right? So profit is equal to nothing but 16.80 minus 13, right? Cost price is nothing but 13, which is equal to nothing but 3.8, right? So just substitute the values here, get as 3.8 by cost price is 13 into 100, right, which is equal nothing but it becomes 380 by 13, right. So just substitute the value, we get as 13 but 380, right. It goes by 2s are, it becomes 26, right. Again goes by 2s are 1 and 0, 9s are, it goes by 117, which is nothing but 3, right, which is equal nothing but 29, 3 by 13 percentage. So answer is option B.